Hi! In front of me is ZTE blade A32 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Apps and Notifications right away. Following that, select Notifications, scroll all the way down and tap on See All from last 7 days. Now you can click on Most Recent at the top and select the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Finally, just click on the green sweater next to one of your apps to block notifications from it. You can turn them back on by hitting the same Now gray sweater. You can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!